Okay. Yeah, fine. In this particular session, so we'll look into how do we calculate the the conditional thing. That means I want to find the result. So now I will say if the result, that is, if the average is more than 40, I want to declare it as pass. If not, I want to say it as fail. So how do we do this? So we can do it like this. So since I want to check a condition, so we use this particular function called as if. Okay, as the name says, if is what? We check for the logical condition. Fine. If, and you can see here, the if is followed with the three things, three parameters it takes. One is the logical test. So generally when I talk about logical test is nothing but a test where the output of this condition can be either true or it will be false. Fine. Now, first, okay, if it is true, I want to write something, value of true. What is that value? If it is not true, then I want to write something else, what it is. So we write the third parameter. So that means my first parameter is going to be my logical test. Logical test means a condition where the output is going to be either true or false. If it is true, what is that you want to write? If it is not true, okay, that means if it is false, what is that you want to write? So that is what we pass, three parameters. Now, since I want to use this if condition and I want to check if the average is above 40. So what I do, I just say if, which is my average cell. Average cell is nothing but this cell, which is under B10. Okay. So I'll just select this is equal to if B10 is greater than or equal to 40. That means it is going to check the value of B10, whether it is greater than or equal to 40. If it is above 40, then I just want to say pass. Since pass is a string, we enclose within the double quotes. Pass. Okay, come. So when I see here, so right now, if this is my condition, okay, and the value of true. If the condition is true, I'm just telling as pass. Okay, so now if I want to write a false, that means if the condition is not met. So I'll put a comma. You can see here, as soon as I put the comma in the interlaces, this becomes highlighted. Now you're trying to write the value for this parameter. So what is this? If this condition is not true, that means the average marks is not more than 40. What is that I want to do here? So I just want to say it as fail. Fine. I just press enter key. So you can see you find it is less than 40. So it says fail. I can still drag and drop this. Yeah. So you can see above 40 is pass. All are pass. Only this has failed. Okay. So if I just enter this marks, you can see it says pass. Okay. I hope got it. So how do you write it? Simple if conditions.